Do you find the world of refreshers a little confusing? I know I do. It's hard to say, right? What is refreshing for one person versus what's refreshing for another? I know that they do have some commonalities. First of all, I believe all refreshers are cold, probably sparkling. I think most of them have some really clever, fruity flavors added to them. I believe that they might have some tea. There's a previous video to this about our tea shot program, which makes that really easy. And finally, there's an energy component, a vibe, a feeling. That's why we created VIBES. It is sort of energy for everyone. Say you want to take it down a notch. We have Chill. That's 5 milligrams of caffeine, ashwagandha, and some adaptogens to help soothe you. If you're looking for just a little lift, we have Happy. That's 20 milligrams of caffeine, some huperzine, B12, just to kind of raise your spirits. If you're looking to be a little bit more locked in, we have Focus. That is 50 milligrams of caffeine, some L-theanine and B12. And finally, if you really need a lift, Moxie, which is 75 milligrams of caffeine and lots of L-theanine and B12 to really rev your engines. I think it's also important to talk about what we don't have in VIBES. No added sugar, flavors, or colors. You only add a shot. It's really a drink additive. It's just the pure essence of the feeling. If you want to experience that feeling, give us a shout. We'll be happy to send you samples and maybe make your refresher program easier to decipher.